addition, subtraction, multiplication, and
Sir,
division.
your voice is very low, sir.
Okay, there are four binary operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Please increase the volume of your headset. Actually, I'm checking the feedback here. I can hear loud and clear. That's why. Hello. Okay. I hope the screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And loud and clear. I'm audible right now, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I may be taking the attendance randomly in between, so everyone be online. So if I call someone in between, they should be present at that time. Okay. Is it that clear? Roll number 32.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I shall come back to addition. So in binary addition, like it's similar to the normal decimal addition, but there will be small difference because, but in binary normal decimal, 10 plus 1 it is 11 because we have,
Sir,
yes,
it's hard to
Your
hear
voice
you,
very
sir.
low.
hello,
Oh, now it's okay, sir.
okay. In binary addition, the difference is that we have a maximum value. In the binary number, we have just 0 and 1. Okay. So once we add plus 0 plus 1, it's fine because we doesn't have any other numbers. But when it comes to decimal, 10 plus 1, it could be 11 because there is a next, it is just like 0 plus 1, it is 1. And we can just, doesn't need to like compare this with decimal and all. We can just do all the addition with these four basic rules. Okay, so 0 plus 0, it is 0. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. And 1 plus 0 is also equal to 1. And 1 plus 1 will be is equal to 1 plus 0 or 0 with a carry. So when it comes to decimal, 1 plus 1 is 2, right? So in the binary, 2 is 1 0. So we can tell if you are having a single digit only, 1 plus 1 will be equal to 0. For example, if you are going to the gates, so if we add 1 plus 1, the output of that gate will be 0. Okay, there won't be a carry in that case. Okay, so we have just four basic rules. That is 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry of 1. And 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 1, 1 or 1 with a carry of 1. Okay, so we'll just see an example. In this case, we are adding 1011 with 110. Okay, so 1011 is, can anyone say me the decimal of 1011? Roll number 24. Roll number 24, Mahesh T. Please give me the decimal value of 1011.
Sir, I am 26, sir.
Okay, roll number 26, Mahesh T.
Yes, sir.
What is the decimal value of 1011?
Sir,
Decimal of 1011. You have not attended last class.
sir, 5 minutes.
No, I just asked you a simple question. One the decimal value of 1011.
Sir,
It is 11. Okay.
yes, sir.
Okay. Then please tell me the otherwise you tell the decimal value of 110. Hello. Roll number 26. Mahesh T.
Sir.
Yeah, the decimal value of 110.
Six, sir.
Okay. Okay,
Thank
now
you.
we'll come back to this example. So it is very simple, like where we use that rules that 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 1 is 0, then 0 plus 1 is 0. Sorry, the 1 plus 1 is 0 and with carry 1. Okay, then again that 1 plus 1 gets added and we get a 0 with another carry 1. And that is again 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. And then we get a carry as 1. So finally we get the answer as 1, 0, 0, 1. Can someone tell me the decimal of that one, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1?
Seventeen, sir.
17. 17, sir.
Okay, correct. Okay. So we'll go to any doubt in this one, this addition.
No, sir.
Sir,
You ask.
sir, are the rules same for the numbers if they are present after the point, sir? Like in we give binary in decimals now. Right?
Yes.
For
Yes.
example, 110.011. After the point, we should apply the same rules.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, I have
Yeah,
not
okay.
provided with you an example. I will next class. I may add an example. Okay.
Yeah, thanks.
Okay. This one is example 2. Here we are adding 1, 1, 1, 1, 0 with 1, 1. Okay. In the same way, we are doing this example. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 with a carry 1. Then that carry is added to the 1. We again get 0. Again with the carry. Again we get the 0. Again with the carry 1. Then, and finally we have a carry and we are getting the answer 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay.
Sir.
Okay. So kindly do this exam 110, 101 and 100, 100. You can do it in your notebook and show to me in your camera. I may ask randomly 2 or 3 people. And the attendance will be marked.
Sir, can you show the previous one, the example?
Okay, I get this question you note down, then I will show you the previous example so you can do that by checking that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now both are visible, right? The question and the previous example. Okay, I sold. Again, number 26 actually. Can I see the answer? Can you give the answer? Then you will not. Okay, roll number 668. Madhik Kumar. Number 16. Yes, Ram didn't get the answer. Okay, thanks. Okay, shall we go to the next question? Again, we will do binary subtraction. So similar to addition, here also we are following the basic rules. There is 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus
Sir, your voice is low again, sir.
Okay, thank you. So similar to the addition, here also we are following basic rules. There is 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. And 0 minus 1 is equal to 1 with a borrow of 1. So we'll try these examples. Everyone can try these examples. I have written this clearly. That is subtract 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Sorry, to subtract 0, 0, 1, 0 from 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Please do it in the notebook. I will explain.
Sir, I didn't get it, sir.
You didn't get what? Like how to subtract this?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, we'll explain the middle one. Okay. In that, we are subtracting 1001 from 10111. Okay. So I'm explaining the middle one. Okay. Don't get confused. So here, in the first one, 1 minus 1 is 0. We are using those 4 basic rules. Okay. Then when it comes to next one, 1 minus 0 is the answer will be 1. Then again, next one, 1 minus 0, we get the answer 1. And in the next case, 0 minus 1, we get 1, but with a borrow of 1. That will be subtracted from the next one. That is actually, it will be like borrow means it is negative 1. Just in the normal decimal, we are proceeding the same thing. Okay. So 1 minus 1, we will get 0. Is it clear?
Sir, I have so for first one.
Yeah.
Last one, sir. It's 1
We
0 1
explained
0.
Yes, sir.
You want to explain the last one?
I'm getting 1 0 1 1 0.
Yes, sir. 10110, sir.
getting
Yes, sir. Into first one, not last.
First one you are getting?
1
1
0
0
1
10110.
Okay, you follow the rules. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 0 minus 1 is 1 with a borrow 1. then 0 minus 1. Hello. 0 minus 1. Then what will we get? 0 minus 1.
Sir, but we have 1 in the borrow, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. 0 minus 1 is actually 1 with a borrow 1. Okay, then again we will have what? In that we have to minus 1. So we'll get 0 and a minus here. One second, I will explain once more. 1 second, I am doing it myself parallel and will explain. Okay, some 0 minus 0, we'll get 0. Okay, 1 minus 0, we will get 1. Okay, 0 minus 1, we will get 1 with a borrow 1. Are you getting that?
Yes, sir.
So
sir.
again, next one, 0 minus 1. What we will get? 1 with a
Borrow of 1.
borrow of 1. Okay, here we will get a 1, which is this added with this minus 1, we will get 0. Okay, then again that borrow is already existing there. So in that 1 minus 0, we will get 1, and that borrow is again negated with that. So we get 0. Actually, there are multiple additions occurring there. We will explain once more. First one, 0 minus 0, that is 0. 1 minus 0. First one, no confusion. Second one, 0. Third one, I mean 0 minus 1, we'll get 1 with a borrow of minus 1. Okay. Then again 0 minus 1, we'll get 1 with a borrow of minus 1. And this one, and here already we are having a borrow of minus 1. That get negated and we get 0 as answer. And the next step, 1 minus 0 is actually 1. But we have a borrow of minus 1. So that is also negated. Is it clear?
Sir, how do we have a borrow of minus 1 in the last step?
In the last step, 0, you simply subtract 0 with 1. You will get a borrow of minus 1. Okay, and that answer is supposed to be 1. But we already have a borrow, so hence is getting negated.
Okay. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thanks.
Yes. There is an extra, there is a borrow in this side, means it is a negative number. That will we will get into that. Sign numbers are there. Okay. This indicates that it is a negative 1111. Okay, if we will go with the common rule, we will see 1 minus 0, it is 1. 1 minus 0, it is again 1. 0 minus 1 is a 1 with a borrow 1. Okay, so 0 minus 0, it is 0. But it is subtracted with that minus 1 is again there. So 1 we will get 0, 0. Again, that 1 will be there. And we get a 1 and a borrow is carried on. Okay. So shall we move to the binary multiplication?
One doubt.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sir, when we subtract, the number should be decreasing, sir, but the third one, the number is increasing. The value.
That is what I'm saying. It's a minus. That borrow indicates the minus.
Oh, okay, sir.
When you subtract a small number, sorry, a large number from a smaller number, we'll get a negative, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so we will go to binary multiplication. Here also the same way, we are having the 4 basic rules. That is 0 into 0. Like when we were in school, we had learned the whole multiplication tables, right? Like 1 into 5. Like since we had 9 numbers, we had to study the whole multiplication table. Like for example, like up to 9 we have to learn. 9 into 9, like 0, 9 into 1, 9 into 2, like that we have to learn. But here we are having only 2 numbers. So we just need to learn all these 4 rules. You are grasping that why we, if anybody is having the doubt why we are having just 4 rules, it's just because that when we were in school, we studied the decimal number system, which had 9 numbers. So we had to study all the whole multiplication table. But when it comes to binary, we just have 0 into 0, 0 into 1. When it comes to multiplication table of 1, it is 1 into 0, 1 into 1. Okay, so these are the 4 rules. 0 into 0 is equal to 0, 0 into 1 equal to 0, 1 into 0 is equal to 0, 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So just like in decimal, we can do the multiplication here also. So you all are familiar with the decimal multiplication system, right? So in the first case, 1101 is multiplied with 10. Okay. So first we will multiply, we will get 4 zeros. And when we multiply 1101 with 1, we will get 110 itself. And it is shifted one position, just as in the normal decimal multiplication. And then it is added. Is it clear? First one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And the second one, 1101 is multiplied with 11. In the same way, we will get 1101 and 1101, which is shifted to left one position. And then we will add it in the normal way. Just like that, we use the rules to add in the addition. Okay. Then we will get 1, 1, then 0 with a carry 1, then again 110 with a carry 1. The third example, can you do that? 1101 into 1011. Please do the multiplication. 1101 with 1011. Let's multiply and give the answer. Please do this multiplication and give the answer. 1101 multiplied with 1011.
So I have one more small doubt in multiplication.
Yes.
So in decimal, if the point is given, we'll first remove the point and we'll multiply, and then we count the digits after the point and we'll put the point, sir. Is it same as in this multiplication, sir?
Okay, that example we will consider. I will show you another example. Okay.
Yeah, okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, shall we move to binary division? Okay, I will try to explain with this one example. So normally how we do division in normal decimal numbers, just like that, we can draw this table and do the division. Okay, but one difference is that we have to assume the number which is in the top. Like for example, 1101 is divided with 1110101. Okay, so first we will take the first 4 digits only. So first case 1101 is we are multiplying with 1, and that 1 is put on the top. So and we will be subtracting this 1101 from the number as whole, and we will get 0011 as the answer. Okay, but 1101 is not divisible with 0011. So if we divide it, what we will get, the answer will be 0. Okay, in binary the answer will be 0 or either 0 or 1. So the answer is 0 here, since this number is lesser than 0011. So we will multiply it with 0 and just reduce that 0000. We will subtract, then we will get it as 11 in the down. Then and we will take the 5th digit from that number. That will be a 1, but again it is smaller than 1101. So we were putting another 0, and again we are subtracting the zeros. So we will get 1101 in balance, and finally what we are doing is that we are multiplying it with the 1. So we will exactly get 1101, and we will get it as 1101. This is one example. We will explain the previous example also, where it is divided 1011 is divided with 11. Okay, so in the first case it is divided with 10. So with 11 is obviously larger than 10. So we will put a 0, which is not required because in the initial, like 0 in the left hand side is not considered. So we will take the next value, that is 10. After that 1 is substituted. 101 is obviously greater than 11. So we will multiply 11 with 1. So 101 is subtracted with 11, and we are getting 10. And again we are taking the number which is left, 1. So again we will get 10, and then 1 is given to the right side of 10. Then again we will give one more 1, and that is substituted, and the answer is 11, and with the remainder of 10. Okay, in the second example we didn't have a remainder.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, in that example 1, in that first step, 0 is subtracted by 11, sir.
First example.
First example, first step, sir. 10 is there, and then we are. Sorry, 0 is subtracted by that 10, or 10 is subtracted by 0.
We are subtracting 00 from 10. There is
from
one step.
10.
Yes. One step is like you that answer will be 10. Okay. Then we are taking the 1, which is
Okay.
from the top. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just practice a decimal division. We all have not done a division for a long time, so we are having confusion. You do your which we have done in some of our 3rd standard or something. We have done a normal decimal division,
Yes,
right?
sir.
If you do that,
Okay.
same steps. There is nothing different. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thanks.
Sir, I have a doubt in that question, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in second step, 101 and 11 is there, no, sir?
Yes.
1 minus 1 is 0, sir.
1 minus 1 is 0. Yes, correct.
And then 0 minus 1 is 1 borrow 0 borrow 1, sir.
Yes.
So it will comes like
0 minus 1 is 1 with a borrow 1.
What, sir? I'm not getting, sir.
0 minus 1 is 1 with a borrow of 1. Your confusion I understand. 101 minus 11. That one only you are asking, right?
Yes, sir. How it comes like
When we-
101? Sir.
101, when we subtract 1 from 101, first digit 1 minus 1, that we will get 0. Okay. That part is clear, right?
Okay, sir.
Second, 0 minus 1. We will
Yes.
go back. 0 minus 1, what is the rule? We will go to that rule.
Is
0 minus 1, what is the rule?
one
0 minus 1.
one with borrow one?
Yeah, the one with
one
borrow,
with borrow.
one with borrow 1. So 1 we will get here and a minus 1 on the top. Like one, borrow can be written as minus 1 also. Okay, so that minus 1 and that 1 get cancelled. Right. Now is it clear? So actual
Can you
answer,
repeat once again, sir?
sir, 101 minus, that is our subtraction, right?
Yes, sir.
The answer is 010 only. 010. If you simply subtract 11 from 101, we will get answer as 010 or 10. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And in that it becomes 101 not after subtraction, but we are taking a 1 from the top.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then we are getting,
Okay.
understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you do one thing, everyone do one thing. You all divide 556 with the 111. 556 with the 111 you divide. Or 11, with 11 you divide, not with the 111. 11, 556 with 11. Normal decimal division.
The quotient is 50, remainder is 6, sir.
That everyone can tell, but you have to do that. That's
Oh, decimal also, sir. Sorry, with decimal point, sir.
yes. So what you will get? 50 with the remainder 6.
6, sir.
Right. So now you understood how the division works. Like we have done the same thing only here also. Okay. So any doubt in this? Okay, everyone can clear the doubts in the last 2 classes. We have discussed the number system, binary, octal, hexa. Why you should, no. Yeah, if you want, you can do that exercise also. Yeah, you can try that also. You convert 556 to binary and 11 to binary and try to divide them. That will be a good exercise. Yeah, if anyone have any doubt, please ask. I will take the attendance now. Roll number 50. 50 is not there. Roll number 51.
Yes, sir.
52. 52.
Yes, sir.
53.
Yes, sir.
55.
Yes, sir.
56.
Sir, 54.
54. Okay. 56.
Present, sir.
57. 57. 59.
Present, sir.
58.
Yes, sir.
So 57 is absent. Okay. 60. 60. 61.
Present, sir.
62.
Present, sir.
63.
Present, sir.
Row number 1.
Yes, sir. Present.
2.
Present, sir.
3. 3. Roll number 3. Roll number 4.
Present, sir.
Roll number 5. Roll number 6.
Present, sir.
Roll number 7.
Present, sir.
Roll number 8. Nine. 10.
Present, sir.
11.
Present, sir.
13.
Present, sir.
14. 14. 15.
Present, sir.
16.
Present, sir.
17. 17. 18.
Present, sir.
19.
Present, sir.
20.
Present, sir.
21.
Present, sir.
23.
Present, sir.
24.
Present, sir.
25.
Present, sir.
27.
Present, sir.
26.
Present, sir.
28.
Present, sir.
29. 30.
Present, sir.
32.
Present, sir.
34.
Present, sir.
33. 33. 35.
Present, sir.
36.
Present, sir.
37.
Present, sir.
38.
Present, sir.
39.
Present, sir.
40.
Present, sir.
41. 41. 43.
Present, sir.
44.
Present, sir.
45.
Present, sir.
46.
46 present, sir.
47.
Present, sir.
48.
Present, sir.
49.
Present, sir.
59. 64. 64. 64. Adrida Saha. Okay, if anyone is having any doubt, we will discuss. Otherwise, we will wind up the class here.
So 60 present, sir. At the time I have network issues, I left the teams.
6.
60, 60, sir. Present, sir.
Roll number 3 also present, sir. He messaged in chat box.
Anybody is having any doubt apart from attendance?
Yes, if we divide 556 with 11 and what we get the answer, can we convert it into binary? I mean, is that same how to say?
We will get the same answer. If you between decimal and binary, you will get the same answer only.
Okay, thank you, sir.
You know, like if you feel, for example, if you want, you can like cross check with the, because we will be for evaluation purpose, we will check the steps. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, like whatever we have done in the slide, you have to write it like that. But for the final answer, just to correct and verify that, you can do it in the decimal and cross check also. The answer will be same.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Okay. Okay, sir. Okay. Okay, then we will wind up here. Okay. Okay, then thank you.
Thank you, sir.
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 Thank you, sir.